Today's video guys, pagluluto ko si Wari ng paksiw. Maglalagay ako ng maraming sibuyas. Tsaka luya. At chili. Sili. Tsaka maglalagay ako ng maraming garlic. Para mawala masyado yung langsa. Hindi masyadong malangsa. Tapos maglalagay ako nito. Gusto ko kasi sa paksiw may gulay eh. Si Wari naman hindi siya mahirap pakainin kasi kinakain niya lahat. So iwan ko lang sa kapitbahay namin kung gusto nila yung amoy na to. Pero minsan ko lang naman to gagawin. Para hindi naman nakakainis sa ilong nila. 1 cup vinegar. Tsaka maglalagay ako ng 1/2 water. Ito. Cubes. Maglalagay din ako ng ampalaya. Pepper. So guys, luto na yung paksiw. Papatikman ko na kay Wari kung papasa.
Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to try something, I'm going to try something that I've personally never had before. I've been to the Philippines, I've tried the different flavours, I've tried adobo, I've even tried bagon. But this is something I've never had before. This is Paksiw na Isda. And firstly, did I say that correctly?
Yes.
My first time.
It's Warren's first time, this dish.
And you've grown up eating this, haven't you? And it's very popular in the Philippines because in the Philippines they have monsoon season every year. They get hit by, I think it's like 20 typhoons each year, isn't it? And the reason they have this is Paksiw stands for cooked in vinegar. That might sound quite confrontational for some people, the flavour quite sharp. It smells very vinegary in the kitchen.
Yes.
It's not a bad smell, it's just
Vinegar.
it's quite strong, isn't it? It's quite memorable. It's better than a bagon.
Let's try
Let's try it, shall we? Because, as I said, this is my first time. Paksiw na Isda. Isda means fish. This fish is sea bream. You can use tilapia, you can use milkfish.
Any fish.
Any meaty fish, really. First time. I'm excited. They say that the longer you cook the vinegar with the fish, the more it tastes delicious. And well, Shay's been cooking for well over an hour now, so I think it's going to taste delicious. I'm very excited.
I'll try it.
Turn that Maganda.
Taste it first.
Mm.
You like?
Oh yeah, it's delicious. Yeah, the fish has been marinated perfectly. I think with the vinegar, it's like almost like ceviche because ceviche cooks it. This has been boiled in the vinegar, so it's even more nice. That's really nice.
It's nice with vegetable, right?
Let's try it with a little bit of vegetable.
This one. Veggie.
This is aubergine, is it? Yeah, we have it with aubergine. Of course, you can have it with other vegetables as well.
Yeah. Okra.
This is okra's good as well. As there we go. Oh yeah, it's really good. It's very comforting. It's slightly sour, but of course it's not as sour as say the rhubarb that we have in England. That's really sour.
Is it?
Yeah, you need to try that one day. It's nowhere near as sour as rhubarb. If I had to choose rhubarb or this every day of the week. Yeah, see, I was in the other room when Shay was cooking because I was told the smell was quite strong. But honestly, it's not that strong. It's alright. Maybe I've just got... maybe my nose isn't quite right. But yeah, for me it's not that strong. It's delicious. Like I say, it's better than the bagon. The bagon is definitely an acquired taste. People say this is an acquired taste, but yeah, I like this from day one. This is my first time. How does this compare to bagon? Would you say it's not strong?
I like bagon too, but I think this is much better.
Yeah, this is more friendly to the foreigner, isn't it? Foreigner friendly food. One of the reasons they use vinegar in places like the Philippines, as I say, it's because of the typhoon and a lot of the islands. I think there's, how many islands is it? Like 7,000 islands?
I don't know.
There's a lot. Shirley's an expert on geography. Yeah, there's like 7,000 islands or more. Let me know in the comments exactly how many islands it is, because it's a lot.
I think 7,600 something.
Oh, well, there you go, that's close enough.
6.
So there's a lot of islands, and so they rely on fishing a lot. Because why wouldn't you? It's in a tropical area, it's a beautiful area, and so they go out and they fish. But sometimes there's not always a good chance to fish. So they use vinegar, they use salt to preserve the food, and you can cook with the salt and the vinegar, of course.
I miss this too.
You miss it? Take you on a fishing trip. Would you like to go on a fishing trip? But not one where you throw the fish back, you can keep it. Would you guys like to see that? Would you like to see Shay go on a fishing trip in the UK? Hats, rod, net, everything.
Fisherwoman.
Fisherwoman. But is she the best fisherwoman in the UK? I'm going to say yes because I'm biased. But let us know in the comments, guys, if there's another type of Filipino food or food in your country where you preserve the food with vinegar. Let us know in the comments and maybe we'll make it for another video. And yeah, it's been great. It's been delicious. We're going to carry on eating this because we've got a lot to go. She's also made a grilled fish just in case I didn't like this, but this is going to be an extra because I love this. And I'll give this meal straight away 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 easy. Me all day, yeah, all day long. It's delicious. And yeah, alright guys, until the next video, ingat ka.
Bye.